What's up? We going to set it up.
Go for y'all.
Guys, it's on the beat.
We going to war. We going to war.
Hey.
We going to war.
Looks like we about to purge.
We going to war. Hey y'all. Hey my Zay dolls. Well, let me sit y'all down and put some up in my coat on. Hey my Zay dolls, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, what's up, what's good? It's your girl Zay-La, and I am back with another freaking video. Hey y'all. Hey y'all. So this vlog was not planned. But
hey y'all. Hey y'all.
Not you. Yo.
What's up? What's good? It's your girl Nate Rails back with Zay-La with another freaking video. Hey y'all.
You're done.
Hey y'all. Hey y'all.
Yeah, you're done. You're done.
I sound almost like you, right? What's up?
We going to set it up.
Go for y'all.
You see why she don't get put into the camera? Cause she don't know how to act.
Honestly.
But y'all, this vlog wasn't planned. I just thought about this, and then y'all know I was putting it back. I didn't want to leave it open. But yeah, we have the corner house, so we got to shovel. Not just, you know, shovel in front and the driveway.
Same thing I did last year. Just sit down.
We bundled up. Got the sweats with leggings under. Can't get my arm in here. Dang, I miss mama cars.
Where's your...
That way at school and storage.
Does it fit?
Mama car? Or this one?
This one.
What size is this one?
Medium.
Wasn't ours a medium?
Mine
Well, ours was a small. No, I was looking.
Mine
Ours was a small? No, me and mommy got the same size.
A large.
A large?
Yeah, we got large. A large.
Are you sure?
I don't know. Go see.
I think yours was a medium and I got the one.
Yeah, I think Jay got a large.
Why don't we just look? No, hers is a medium.
So that means we got smalls.
We did not get small. First of all, no, I did not.
Why did we get bigger than Jada?
Because Jada was bigger than us.
So why did we get bigger than Jada?
That's a large. Because our arms are longer, dummy.
Hold on, wait. I can't even. You gotta turn to the light.
I bought us larges and I bought her a
First of
medium.
all, this thing, the size is not even there.
Yes, it is.
Oh,
Right there, you dummy. Large. I know what I bought.
Large?
I know what I bought. I know what I bought.
The back is not matching.
No, it's really not. Why did, if Jada was bigger than us, why did we get bigger sizes than Jada?
Because at the time, she wasn't bigger than us.
At the time I was.
No. Listen to what I'm saying. We could have gotten mediums, but our arms were longer.
Oh, that's
so
right.
we got
That's
the
a fact.
larges.
That's a fact.
Y'all gotta tell me what the fuck I bought.
Alright, bro.
Sometimes you be forgetting.
Not you.
Whatever.
I feel like one of the little doors. I'm about to work in the mall.
I should have did all of this before I put the gloves on.
Facts. Mad dumb. What? Why are you looking at me?
No.
What? Why are you looking at me?
No, I'm trying to. You think I'm looking at you, but I'm trying to focus to get the zipper in here because I can't look down
I
and do
can't
it.
even see.
Okay.
Yo,
Here we go. Back with another freaking video.
You just look like the purge alarm just rung.
okay.
Why don't you just ask for
I
help?
got it. Team independent.
Glad I didn't get you the medium because look, you can't even pull that over your butt.
I could pull this over my butt.
Really?
Can you do this for me though while you don't got no gloves on? Because I can't do that. Nah, I ain't gonna lie. This medium a little.
Yeah, cause you talking about we could have got, but your arms is mad long. You look mad tight. What happens when you have on your sister's coat?
No, seriously.
Because you left yours in storage. Duh. It's only winter. It's only winter.
Nah, my coat been in storage for like 2 years now.
And you mad dumb for not getting it.
Nah, you look like the abominable.
Come on, let's get in there so we can see our mask together. Get in the middle.
We need a thumbnail, so pose.
Oh, y'all both had your hold on. Let me do it again.
Oh yeah. Come on now.
It's too close to me now.
Come on. Oh, let's take a selfie.
Cause I work my phone. You gonna do?
You want to do it with your phone?
Hey Siri, open camera. Cause fingers don't work. Hey Siri, open camera.
Come on, let's face the couch. Yeah, maybe.
All right. Yeah, cause mine's is acting super. You wanna turn this front light on?
That might work.
I mean, hey.
Huh?
You're about to be.
Oh, no.
Jada gotta block that.
No, let's go over there. Let's go over there. Come on. Just go over there. Go over there. She's doing too much. Zay-La doing too much.
Why you carrying the trouble?
It's alright. It's alright. It's alright.
Let me get the other one.
It over here, dum-dums. That was the whole
I feel real stuffed, like.
And it look real
I
dumb.
feel real claustrophobic.
But you should go in the middle.
Stop bending down. You make me look taller than you.
I don't want to go in the middle. I like the way I'm...
Stop moving.
Pearl in my mouth. Wait, why you got her head like you got her...
How's that? That's her leaning on me.
Okay, come on. Jay, can you sit up? Stand up.
Yeah, like this. Yeah.
Stand up, right there. Why you gotta lean on
I
her?
was about to fall backwards.
Alright.
Wait, why not? Let's look back. Let's pull this mask up.
Alright, I'm getting hot. I'm getting hot.
What is this?
Your sister's stealing from the supermarket.
I did not steal the basket. Jada stole the basket. Jada stole.
I asked you, are we taking it? You said, do you
Oh
want to
no,
take it? I said,
I got this over. Look at my lips. They look like they was already frostbit. Look.
That's your tongue.
Oh, but that looks like...
That's your look at my lips. That's your whole tongue.
Okay, this one is better.
Okay, yeah. Yeah.
That might, even though it...
Just edit it.
Alright, y'all.
I can't see.
Let's see what is given out here. Somebody jump on that walkway?
No.
They probably did.
Nobody tell about shit.
Alright, y'all. The time is here. Brother. Why did it look like that though? Oh. Nah, this is wicked. Wicked, damn wicked, damn wicked. Oh. Nah, bro. Oh. Why the stairs went like they went like that?
I don't know. I didn't create that.
That side is clear, bro. Like it's nothing there.
Maybe somebody had shoveled it.
No. Y'all, so yo. What, bro? New York, who in charge?
I want to jump in it.
I want to jump in it too.
Can we?
Yeah, we gotta shovel it anyway. Yeah, I want to jump in it.
You gonna do it right now?
You gonna jump first? Where can I?
We gonna jump right here?
You could jump there or jump over there.
I want to jump over here.
Over there? Go ahead. You better jump, like make it worth it.
No, I'm just fall backwards.
Yeah. No, see you making it boring, bro.
Oh my God, corny.
That's
Lame, boo. Tomato,
Get up.
throwing tomatoes.
You gotta record me because I want to jump. Come on.
Oh God. Why would you drag her?
I didn't. I'm pulling her up. And she acting foolish. Record me because I want to jump. I'm going to jump right here. Ready?
3, 2, 1.
Dumb.
You can't get up.
When an idiot falls in the snow and can't get up. I've fallen and I can't get
Life alert.
Oh my God, my back. It's broken.
No. Yo, you still struggling? Yo. I'm not helping you. You're a clown. Take your time to get up.
Yo. Wait, I got to give it a minute. No.
Oh my God.
Yo.
Take your time and get up.
Nah, bro.
I'm not doing
I
this.
keep going further and further in, like. I got it. I got it.
She gonna fall backwards.
Get me from over here.
Your pants.
Didn't even put no work in yet. Look at me.
Mom, you next. We should push her in the snow.
I need a break. All right, I'm going back inside.
You can't go back inside. We just got out here.
Ever gonna say y'all 3 bougie ass chicks out there? I know Zayla ain't shoveling.
Why it gotta be me? All right, y'all. Y'all just seen that whole chaos.
Where you going?
It's over there. Nah, Jay, remember, we gotta work first, then play.
Get your shovel. We're gonna do the stairs, okay? Now you gonna do this side?
Yeah, I got this side.
Don't throw it in the street. Either throw it on that side road or on this grass. You gotta
Alright.
path. We're gonna go both sides with
What is that? All right, y'all, we're gonna put y'all on top of the car. Cause half the car, it was snowed. Make my way. I'm in the street on top of something.
Until my will runs dry, send all your sins all over me, baby, baby.
To this side?
to the left side.
All right.
On the other side. You know what I mean? You don't have to be the whole side. Just not for my party.
Yeah, I don't know why I came out here with glasses.
And rock right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my feet, baby. And reach right to the bottom of my fountain. I want to play in your deep, baby. Then dip me underway. You know my foot flow. Hold me tight, forever breathe. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby. And rock right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my peak, baby. And reach right into the bottom of my fountain. I want to play in
What
deep,
I'm good. Yo. Don't buy a house, bro. And don't buy no corner property either. Y'all fell. Y'all okay?
Then dip me underway. You can feel my mind for flow. Hold me till I scream for every. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby.
All right, y'all. Okay, you guys. So I thought my camera broke, right? Cause y'all had fell like twice, and my zoom in thing is acting iffy. So we just gonna have to do it. But let me show y'all our progress. We got the salt, cause that's what I'm about to do. I'm about to put salt out. She in for, she's done.
I'm cold. I thought I got frostbite on my thighs, if that's possible.
Let me get the gloves back, cause my hand's gonna be cold.
Here, take mine. I got double trouble.
I just need at least like, oh.
My neck's cold.
Hush up. I'm not even gonna hold y'all. I thought I lost y'all for a second. Our neighbor came out here to help us. Right here, little. Look at the picture. But, whoo, child. When I tell y'all.
Oh, there you go.
I am the sister. Oh, yeah, we gonna get it cracking with the salt. Throw that bad boy down like that. Let me flip y'all so y'all can see. And I brought y'all back because we had to cancel the footage we had because the camera fell. And this ain't a vlog if it ain't enough footage. Is there a way you're supposed to throw salt down? I don't even know if it's a real way you're supposed to do this. Let me fill it up. We got like 3 bags of these. Yeah, buddy. Sprinkle that. Jada cleared the pathway. Yeah. I fixed it. Well, kinda. Not you trying to pose. Y'all see how she get?
No, I'm trying to breathe.
She trying to pose. She not slick.
You know my asthma start kicking in.
Asthma?
Asthma.
You got asthma?
Yeah, I don't use no asthma.
Yeah, y'all.
Cause I'm a,
You doing this?
yeah, we gonna stay in the other driveway.
We don't got 2 cars. Oh, for my car?
Hey y'all. We ain't got no car, y'all.
They clearing this for my car, so I'm gonna let them get to it.
You better get to it to help.
I'm putting salt down.
Oh, okay, on the stairs.
Yeah, in the pathways.
All right, good. Very
See? See?
good. Making yourself useful.
Yeah, making myself useful. Jada a loser. Ain't those cute? Mosquito? Yeah. But I ordered some, like, real moon boots. Then we ran out. We didn't even get halfway there. This shit crazy. Do y'all want to see me or y'all want to see me put snow? Do y'all want to see me or do y'all want to see me put salt on the snow? I think y'all want to see me. We're going to war. Damn, this shit heavy. I better not break her now. Let me calm down, y'all. I just bought this new coat, and I think the moon boots will go fire with it. Y'all gonna see the coat in one of my triangles. Bro, corner house ain't no fucking joke, bro. No joke. Cause all it takes is one person to complain and boom, lawsuit. We don't got no money for this. I think last year for snow, for winter, we took turns doing each other's house. Like, the first time, they did their house and our house. And the second time it snowed, we did our house and their house. And I think they had did it again. And it was supposed to be our turn to do our house and their house. They had did theirs already. So we came out to do ours. And we all had a job. We're getting it done, y'all. Oh yeah. Oh my God. Yo, this snow is, oh my God. The snow is mad deep. This is crazy. Oh, shit. Whew. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh Jesus. Oh my God. Shit crazy. This shit feel like a bed. I ain't even gonna hold you. This shit feel just like a bed. My phone been going off for mad long and I have yet to pull it out. Maybe. She walking a dog? I wish we had a dog. I'd throw that little nigga in the snow. Yo, look how deep this is, bro. Like, I didn't even get to the grass yet. Can y'all really see? That shit's mad deep. I can't even get up right now. I'm gonna finish put, oh shit. I got snow on my ass. What?
What am I supposed to be doing?
I was asking you while I was still outside to put the shovels in the closet, but I'm inside now.
Can I go finish using the bathroom now?
Go ahead. When I tell y'all, that little girl gets no damn help. Nah, she helped outside. Let me stop. Oh, but we done, y'all. My hands numb. My eyes frozen.
My eyes are burning. Something is burning my eyes. I can't see. Don't put your hand under hot water. If it's cold, put it under warm water.
I'm not putting my hand under no water.
Oh, Oh God, what was it? What is it? Is it this? Is it the oven? Do you smell it?
You had it on all the time?
Yeah. Hey, carbon monoxide, we're gonna die. Hey, what's up?
You there?
I just came back in, me and the girls from shoveling. Jesus Christ.
Oh, did you ever get the snow blower or no?
No, I never got it. We had to do that shit manually. My body was fucking aching.
I just finished fucking shoveling.
Yes, that shit is crazy, right?
Imagine you.
Yo.
Shit, it took me a little bit. It's a lot of fucking snow out here.
Right, imagine that corner property. Watch when I send you a video. Jesus Christ. And mind you, out here we got a lot more. So I stepped.
Yeah, almost got like 2 feet almost.
Yeah, this shit is crazy. I stepped in that snow, like I lost half my leg stepping in that damn snow.
Yeah, this shit's serious.
Jada and Zayla got fallen, they couldn't get up. Ooh.
There's a whole, over here, the whole step. I can't even see the step. The shit over the whole step. This shit was a lot. So I'm gonna send it.
Ooh. Yo, they gonna be exhausted. I'm not going to work tomorrow. Fuck that, my body gonna be aching.
Nah, fuck that.
Yo.
Hi, Uncle Nas.
You heard Day? She said, hi, Uncle Nas.
Okay, how's he doing?
That's good.
Good. Yo.
Oh my God, yo.
My neighbor came out and helped.
Alright, we bizak.
But I already did the whole time.
We is bizak. It's 9 o'clock. Oh damn, the battery dying. Hold on, y'all. Let me put these other batteries on the charger. Cause it's water leaking from somewhere on me, but I have no clue where. Where's my other charger? Where's the battery pack? Where's the battery pack? Did I leave it on the thing? Wow, I sure did. Sure dizzy. Alright, y'all. Let me get the air fryer out because I'm about to put some about to make some buffalo wings. And I'm gonna put them in the air fryer. I kinda already like prepped them before we yo, I know my back is going to be on fire. But I never used that. Well, the whole house never used the air fryer. This air fryer is brand new. But yeah, so prep the buffalo wings already. They really just sitting there waiting until we put in the air fryer. Oh shit, I'm gonna do 2 hands. Hold on, y'all. Air fryer secured. I only know of the one that you open and slide. This one got shelves. So we can make a lot of wings. Just sit them like that. Right here. Boom.
And another woman that could take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do, because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand.
Alright, I'm preheating it right now. So, boom. Yeah, 380 should be fine. So that's gonna preheat, and we'll come back.
Sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby. Let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me. Ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. might make you wanna change your scene.
Okay, y'all, so this is my first time using the air fryer. Oh, I didn't even tell y'all, I had burnt my forehead and then it peeled. So look how ugly that looks. That looks so ugly. So that's why my bonnet really on. It's probably like another batch still in here. We got them in there. Let's hope it works out fine. Like, they really air fry. I don't know if I was supposed to do something extra or whatever. But, you know, on Instagram, people be opening the air fryer, stick the stuff in there, and then close it back. So, but this one got the tray.
I asked if that was an air fryer, and I told me no.
I don't. Who you ask?
Couldn't have asked me, because I didn't know we had one.
Maybe because she didn't know we had one.
Yeah, I didn't know we had one. So, but yeah, y'all. That's that. Be waiting for that to be finished to do the last batch. And yeah, that is that. I'm gonna wait till it's done and then I'm gonna close off this video and I'm gonna start editing it because I'm gonna give this to y'all tomorrow.
It was a quick impromptu video.
Yeah,
Like fried chicken?
good last minute content. It's gonna be like both, but it's gonna have crisp to it though.
Because I don't feel like doing with that jasmine rice. The jasmine rice takes longer.
And I don't really want jasmine rice.
And we don't got yellow rice. We don't got no more going. I told you to get some.
They had none at BJ's. You still got this ski mask on. It's crazy.
You my business.
Don't do that. What up? You're done. You're done. You're done. Get it poppin'. Where the TV on? Let's put some TV on. What TikTok I want to do? Let me play it for y'all. It's the TikTok. You know the TikTok with the basketball sound? Like, and they be like that. But it's the words that I saved this on my phone. I want to do the same exact one and I want to copy so I can post it because my friend told me to do it. But it says, "Him, go entertain your others." And look, y'all. I want to do this one.
This is why you was in cheer, not basketball.
This is exactly why I was in cheer, not
That's
basketball.
why they had you on.
Look,
That's why they
okay,
had you
look,
on the
this is the
sideline.
TikTok that I want to do.
This is exactly why they had her on the sideline.
She looks stupid too.
That's the point. It says, "Him, go entertain your other people." So that's her entertaining them.
Oh, she looks stupid too.
Look at her. Do you see her? This is why they have her on the sideline.
Hey, you want to know something? Both of y'all fathers is great at basketball.
Yeah, that's a fact. My daddy was good in basketball, and that's why I thought they thought I was gonna do basketball. But no, I turned
But you
into
wanted to learn at first?
yeah, because when I was a tomboy, remember I was doing football and everything with the boys. And then I turned into one of these. What happened?
You're done. Anyway.
No. PS11 is when I was playing football with the boys.
Still being a dyke.
Wow.
I mean, it was recess. It was normal for people to play football.
It's not like PS11 got a ball. Well, they do got a ball, but we couldn't go to the ball. It was like playing tennis ball or you running around making your own game.
You know what? Tomorrow, I'm the first one to turkey meat. You can make empanadas. You gotta get the empanada right. You know, I don't play like that with my food.
What is it? I don't know. But we about to.
Leonardo DiCaprio. Tell me about that mustache. You gotta go.
Yeah, to drop something off the DA's office.
Don't buy my hat.
What time is it? Oh. Last episode of Power Ghost Book 2 come out at midnight.
Can I see that video? Like, where do they all those pictures from?
Mommy Facebook. All them pictures of you. That's it. Y'all was raised by Karens. I was raised by the corner. Cause that was the. Let me show you the trend.
I'm gonna do one.
Oh, I don't know. Did I show y'all?
It's old pictures of you. That's the point. That was a part of the trend. It was supposed to be like the 90s.
I want you showing them that I hide it down.
born in 1999. Is that where the pictures was?
Some of them mainly older than me. Yeah.
Those are
This was you in her stomach. Was that Jada? This was Jada, right? Yeah.
That's why I understand why I made it to you.
My question is, where did your tattoo go?
The tattoo is still there.
Oh.
I need a pot from them.
I thought it disappeared. Which
I need a
pot?
pot for the rice.
Oh, the pot that's on my stove is clean. I had used it to boil hot water. Which one, Jay? Because I see on TikTok. I don't be on TikTok as much as I used to. So I'm kind of out to look. I'm just trying to get editing done. And with me, it's like TikTok or editing. Sometimes TikTok wins. So addicted. The last episode.
That's what Remy Moss put up. She said, somebody please come take my phone. She said, I got with the TikTok and now I got so many I didn't even upload. She said, I'm addicted to this.
Yeah, I think I got like four new TikToks or 5 new TikToks in my draft. I was supposed to finish when I did my makeup yesterday, but I didn't. I'll do it tomorrow. Let's watch some action movie. I was raised by Canon. I was raised by Canon. Yo, that trend made a lot of celebrity kids come out. I ain't even know all these celebrities had kids that was like grown. This girl said I was raised by dang, who was her daddy? I seen Genuine daughter. I seen the guy from Power.
I saw Brandy's daughter.
Oh yeah.
How old is Brandy's daughter? Old enough to be doing videos?
Brandy's daughter is like,
She's like,
she's older than Zay-La.
yeah, she's grown.
She shouldn't be older than you.
Brandy's daughter is grown. Hey Siri, how old is Brandy's daughter?
Okay, I found this on the web for how old is Brandy's daughter. Check it out.
You know that voice. I can't.
Oh, she turned 21, so
Oh my God.
right there. But still, she. Oh yes, Method Man daughter. Found Method Man daughter on TikTok. Look, y'all. Okay, update. Look at them things. I did that.
Nicely, go ahead and toast it.
Yeah.
They're already drying out like that. That's good because I don't like them fucking wet ones.
Yeah, I don't like wet wings either. I'm trying to find a movie right now on Hulu. I should look on Netflix too. I just did with the remote. Bruh.
You put it inside the damn food?
No, I ain't putting it inside the food. Yo, I was just standing here with the remote in my hand. Did I take it downstairs? Like, what is... Bro, what in the world? It's sitting right here. You know what? I'll give it up. Damn, what? You might as well have just finished the juice.
I didn't realize it was that much.
You knew it was that left.
I really did not.
You did, because you had to hold it. You had to hold it.
I did not.
Oh, that's done. What movie should we put on? Should I go to the store? I was gonna get
Ice cream.
I do too.
No, I gotta be in the mood. I want some ice cream. My toes is just stuck.
And now, yeah, give me a few more minutes. Now, I'll go. Did you see Don't Breathe too?
Huh? No, that's what the fire thing is. Don't breathe.
That's with the blonde guy, and they tried to rob his house. He was blind, and like a group of kids tried to run in his house and like rob him because he got mad money. And yeah, it was good though. The first one, yeah, he was wow. I ain't see it though, so. Why they got it up here if they want to talk about upcoming February 10th? So why y'all got that up there?
You changed your Instagram name.
No.
So what's Zay-La? What's up?
That's my that was the backup page. I was supposed to use that to sell a wig. That's my band.
I hate when people wear stuff like this. If you gotta wear a shirt under it, then don't buy it, right? I hate that. I hate it for real. That's all.
Oh my god, I'm going to Netflix because they irking me. Oh, you seen Gemini Man?
Yeah, I seen that.
Who is this?
That's with Will Smith, right? Oh, that's Tanya thing. Because you was going and I couldn't.
Oh, because I didn't pay Netflix bill.
Well, yeah, we was going back. We was here and I was like, what the fuck?
Yeah, I didn't pay Netflix bill, but it's good.
You gotta stop being tacky with your
No, not being tacky. I had other stuff. Netflix can wait.
Where Jay at?
Downstairs in my living room.
Shit.
What you
I
need?
need y'all young glass. Look at my glass. I'm the dress of this.
Wow. Just that I got young legs.
That's because half my ass.
Most of you didn't take it. We should have had olives. I don't know, because you know we eat olives and pickles like crackhead fiends, so yeah, I don't think we have none.
But that would have been grandma be putting in our life to do me good.
I keep losing the remote. What is happening?
Zay,
Oh.
And you got your glasses on?
And I got my glasses on. I just had the remote in my hand. Like,
So what we literally waiting for is the
well, the first batch is technically done. They say 15 more minutes, but
no, leave it. You say 15 minutes? Nah. You got a timer for a reason. You want to switch?
okay, guys. So we found the movie. We're gonna watch Abduction. We started it from the part about the last. Remember? I love this movie. I love anything he's in action. So y'all know that's the Twilight meme. But yeah, y'all. So I'm gonna come back to y'all like when the food is fully done. While I'm about to eat, so we can close up this video.
I'll send you
And
this link.
later, my dolls. Those is wings, y'all. Yeah, it's hot. Ooh, baby. Ooh. Look at them things. All right. She gonna put the other batch in while we go to the store. All right, y'all. Let's go to the store.
You got money on you?
She fiending. Didn't even take the wings out yet. At least put the other batch in.
Okay, about the other batch.
Wow.
You open YouTube looking like this. I told you about that. Go to me on YouTube.
Can I get the
I'm not sick no more.
Not you trying to take a chicken. She got her coat on.
Yeah.
Anyway, all eating.
I don't know. You greedy? You greedy?
Oh wow.
Don't put me on YouTube. Take me off.
Nobody worry about her.
I'm not playing. I'm gonna report your shit. I promise you if I'm up there. It's bad enough you put me up there looking like a crackhead when I was sick. At least I was
Okay.
sick.
Anyways, let's go, y'all.
Bite it so I can bite it too.
Get your own.
Y'all losers. Nobody don't do nothing nice for y'all.
Tape your ass acting like you can't wait.
I am.
Look at my coat pocket over there.
Oh, I like this crispy. Can you put the other ones back in?
Mmm. Mmm. I did that.
Anyways.
Yeah.
You want the one on the bottom at the top?
Uh-huh. These is good, y'all. This is the good part too.
That's when they about to attack, right?
Yeah. Oh nah, them wings is bomb. Let me show y'all our progress and work. Boom. Well, the salt really worked. And fast too, because this is all clear. I put it behind the wheels of the V-ski. I put it all down here. online. So, alrighty. Yo, y'all see how my thing is stuck? You freaking walking? Play all damn day. What's called? Yeah, so get your ass in the car. You on the go? You gotta drive real slow, cause ooh, child. All right, y'all. See y'all when we get to the corner store, cause I'm about to see my summer walk on. I'm about to cry because our store that we normally go to, the one that sell like the wine and stuff I like, they closed.
You told me you wasn't wearing your Crocs.
Huh?
I told you put them on.
Girl, I don't know why you thought I was wearing Crocs in the snow. That ain't it, mamas. She looks stupid. Look at her.
And what about?
I had my Crocs on because my boots was by the door. I'm mad because I was really going to that store for wine. What else we needed? Why y'all don't got no wine?
Wine?
Y'all should invest in that.
What kind of wine you like?
Moscato.
You're gonna have to go to the liquor store for that.
No, because the store that's right over there on Atlantic, that's in the little mini mall, that's where I go to get my wine.
So you gotta start bringing wine. You got it.
Y'all gotta start getting wine.
Just like it.
Yeah. What that's for? You brought your money? Of course not, right? Of course you didn't. Of course you didn't bring it. Did you bring it? Go ahead and put it on the calendar, Jada. That's why you gotta stay broke, okay? Stay broke, because nobody will ever ask you for money if you stay broke. Or ever look at you to buy them shit if you stay broke, y'all. And today on It's Zay-La, that was today's lesson. Stay broke so nobody don't have to ever look at you for money or to buy things for them. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk. Damn, girl, back the hell up off me. Mad clothes. And you got the nerve to walk slow? Come on. Niggas trying to get up out of here, bro. Because you wouldn't move? Put the Kit Kat up there, bro.
Anywhere anymore.
You're lying.
No, I'm not. I used to get them all the time. I just told when I was at the
Whatever.
They don't get them anymore.
Whatever. Bro, I'ma keep playing. I'ma leave you right in this store.
You're gonna be making chopped cheese.
Put it to work.
You're gonna be making chopped cheeses?
Let her earn the money that she want to spend in here. Keep playing with
I
me.
think it's a game. A lot of dishes need to be cleaned.
Alright, I'm done. Cause no, I want this one. Alright. Now I'm done.
Card? 27.77.
Ooh, got $30. It's always $30 or $4 inside the store, and that's fucking ridiculous. Shut up.
Okay. What up, my boy?
For me to say no, and then for you to never let it go, and then walk around with looking like your puppy died.
Tell me about it. I was in Sunrise going like I didn't even recognize you with the mask. Yo, how you been? Oh, yo. Yo. Thank you, my friend. Come on, you do all the camera.
Yeah.
She's vlogging. She got time.
Thank you. I'm really mad because I really wanted some wine. Damn, I'm really sad. The scab on my forehead hurts so bad. I really burnt the shit out of my forehead. And I didn't even think the burn mark was like really that bad. I think I did it with the curling iron. That's why it's like that big. It's this in the street. Oh, that's a brick of ice. Glad we peeped that. If we didn't have our glasses, it would have been over. Yeah, I got my glasses on. Girl, where you thought I was going? I can't see at night. You driving at night with no glasses? Yeah, we used to do that when we didn't have it. But we got glasses now. No need to struggle seeing. Woo, child.
Let me out. I can't.
Open the door.
Look, all that snow over there. I can get out.
Open the door. Exactly. I know, because I know where I pulled in there. Shut up. You get out.
You get out.
I am.
Take your bag too.
No. Take the bag after I pay for it. The least you could do is carry it. Ready to eat. Oh. Damn, we wasn't even going for that long. She's locking the door.
She walks so heavy.
She wanna fix shovels like we ain't standing in the cold. It's cold, girl. You wanna be fixing shovels. The fool thought I was wearing my Crocs, so she wore hers.
Cause you had them on.
Yeah, cause my boots was by the door.
I was seeing the train.
But the toe is cold?
What's that?
Whew, alright y'all, we about to eat.
Tell me where you have it.
This is my plate. Wings by me. Broccoli and rice by mommy. Boom. Here's the breakfast. The last batch is in there. She put them all the way up to the top so they could really mug make. They put me some juice. Alright y'all, we got our food, we got our juice. We about to eat. So this little snow vlog is now over. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. It wasn't much, but it was something. So you guys already know what I'm gonna say. I want you guys to like, comment, share, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and become a Zay doll because they love it here. So later, my Zay doll. See you guys in my next video. Later.